Now the next technique that we are having is of Google Doc. So this is the website of exploit So let me show you, it's loading. Yeah, so here's the first website, www.exploitdb.com. So this is a website from where you can gather some sort of doc. Like I'll explaining what is Google Doc, but at first let's see this website. This website is most probably created by Offensive Security, as I know. So it's loading, as you can see here, processing. Yeah, so here are some sort of docs. So this doc is something like, if you click this thing, if you copy this thing and paste on Chrome, Google, then most probably you'll get a lot of web server detections. If you'll copy this thing, if you'll paste on your Chrome on Google, then you'll get a lot of files containing juicy information. So this is how you can use Google Doc. This is very helpful even if I investigate any crime. Then in most cases, Google Doc play a very vital role. So let me show you some sort of example how you can use. So right now I'm using Google as a default browser and default search engine. Sorry. So first example is like suppose if you have to present something on cybersecurity and you are getting late. So right now creating PPT is very much a headache for you. So what you can do, you can type cyber security and then file type column pptx. Click here you go. So if you click here, PPT will get directly downloaded. If you click here, PPT will get directly downloaded on cybersecurity. Same cases, now input that you got is in the format of PPT. Click and PPT will get downloaded directly. So this is how it works. Suppose if I remove this thing, then you'll not get PPT directly. Otherwise, now you should have to click anywhere. Let's type cybersecurity PPT. You should have to click here, then you will get redirected to some website, and then you should have to click download PPT, sign. This will take a lot of time, but if you use this doc, then this will help you a lot. And if you are smart enough, then you can use this doc for a lot of purposes. If you are a subscriber, then most probably you are a smart person. Now next thing that we are having is ext doc. Okay, so suppose if you want to download the server log, then you can type server log ext column dot log. It will be in log file. So if you click here, a log file will be get downloaded. If you click here, log file will get downloaded. So this is how you can use. If you want in text format, then ext txt. Okay, so if you click here, txt file will get downloaded, as you can see on bottom of my screen, left below here. So this is how it works. Now the next doc that we are having is in text. So suppose if you would like to download something, or if you would like to see something that should include Pakistan in their search. So let's say Pakistan, then type in text or Pakistan. Okay, if you want to search, if you want to get some result that should include Pakistan, then just type in text Pakistan. Okay, so whatever result you will get, each and everything will include Pakistan. Here you go, Pakistan everywhere Pakistan is written. And they are using a city map, they are just showing this as a part of Pakistan. Anyway, they are always doing this stupid work. So apart from this, this is how it works. If you want Pakistan should be written in this title bar. Okay, then what you can do, you can type in title Pakistan. So now the Pakistan will be written into the title bar. Here you can see, everywhere Pakistan will be written on the title. If you want to see Pakistan should be written in this URL section, this one, like here you can see Pakistan is not written in URL. Then you will type in URL Pakistan. So now the Pakistan is written into URL section as well. So this is how it works. So I hope you'll use this for the ethical purpose, and believe me, if you master Google Doc, then your life will be very much easier for each and everything. Okay, now this is the correct map.